Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong next blessing anytime soon. So this is a timeless reading anytime na mapanood nyo to as long as makaka-resonate kayo. This reading is for you. And if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see, Cancer, ano yung blessings na parating for Cancer? Okay, you have the 10th house. Okay, so this is about your career. Meron ditong new beginning sa inyo. So you have Mercury and Gemini. So maaring kung meron kayong hinihintay na na tawag, email, response, update sa ina-applyan nyo na trabaho or business, no? Meron kayong inaasikasong business, may kausap kayo, yan. So, merong good news na parating, okay? You may be talking to some people related sa business mo, sa career mo, sa trabaho mo. Pwedeng may interview. I think, pagdating sa, sa pakikipag-usap, no? You have improved a lot in expressing yourself, expressing your talents. Kumbaga, alam mo kung paano sumagot ng mga tanong. Ayan. Alam mo kung paano to be in an interview. Di ba sa mga interviews, no? Ang daming questions, ganyan. So, yung iba natatakot or kinakabahan. But I feel like you are going to be more confident in presenting yourself. So, some of you may opportunities related sa inyong communications, whether you are vlogging, doing content creations, pwedeng sa social media rin yan, merong opportunities for you na parating. And I see you na becoming more popular, no? People might see you as very interesting. Gusto ko nila makausap. Gusto nila na mapansin mo sila. Okay? So, meron ditong isa. So, isa is stasis, no? Parang obstacle. So, maaring sa ngayon, maka-experience ka na parang something is hindering you or pumipigil sa'yo na i-explore yung mga bagay na gusto mong subukan. So, kailangan lang dito is meron kang sapat na lakas ng loob to make it happen. And I think, kayang-kaya mo yung gawin because Berkanu is here. Berkanu is about new beginnings, divine timing, no? I think you are going to be more productive. Marami kang mga maa-accomplish. Yung mga bagay na hindi mo nagawa before dahil for some reasons, may mga restrictions, may pumipigil, may mga obstacle, I think yan ay tinatanggal mo na. And now, you are starting again. It's like new beginnings for you. Maybe para sa career mo, trabaho mo. And, tinan mo, meron kang Gaybo. Gaybo is opportunities, blessings. Some of you, maaring meron kayong marireceive na unexpected na regalo or pwede naman expected mo na regalo sa'yo. Yeah, especially it's Cancer season. Oh, kaya naman pala. Oo nga, no? I just realized Cancer season. So, yeah, may mga gift giving. And I think isa sa blessing mo na matatanggap ay yung regalo na yon, no? Kumbaga, kasi kahit ano naman pwede nating iregalo, pwedeng kapaki-pakinabang, pwedeng pangkulit lang, no? Yung tipong pang-asar lang, may mga ganun eh. But I think someone is going to give you a gift, magre-regalo sa'yo ng kapaki-pakinabang na pwede mong pagkakitaan, gawing puhunan, no? Halimbawa, may nagregalo sa'yo ng steamer. O ayan, pwede ka na magsimula na magtinda ng siomai. Yung mga ganon. So, analogy lang naman yan. Very valuable yung gift na marireceive mo. And pwede rin namang hindi siya tangible, no? Yung tipong hindi nahahawakan. Pwedeng ang gift sa'yo ng universe is yung dream job mo, yung dream career mo, 'di ba? So, yan. A lot of blessings. Let's see, ano pa yung blessings ng mga Cancer? Blessings. You have Judgment. So, this is major awakening, rebirth, change. So, I think ito yung isa sa nabanggit ko rin kanina na obstacle sa buhay mo na part of that obstacle is realizing, no? Nare-realize mo na kung ano yung pumipigil sa'yo, ano yung naglilimita sa'yo, and since na-realize mo na kung ano yun, meron ka nang gagawing paraan para magbago yun, no? With the Judgment card, alam mo na what's best for you, alam mo na rin what is not best for you. So, ile-let go mo yung hindi makakatulong sa'yo and magpo-focus ka doon sa makakatulong sa pag-grow mo. Oh, you have the Three of Swords. Yes. So, this is sorrow, heartbreak. I feel like, ito Cancer, maaring merong mga heartaches na ma-experience ka bago mo makuha yung blessing na yan. Of course, part yan ng ating ng cycle sa buhay. 'Di ba? Ewan ko kung ano kayo, updated kayo sa mga nangyayari sa entertainment, but merong isang vlogger na hindi siya kumbaga ang pangit ng experiences niya sa relationship. Tapos after nun, naghiwalay sila, nilet go niya. It was really painful, no, para sa kanya. Devastating. And then after nun, merong dumating na bagong tao sa buhay niya, and this person is talagang has set the bar high, kumbaga standard yung person na to. So, ibig na sabihin niyan, maaring may mga tao, bagay, sitwasyon sa buhay mo na tatanggalin sa'yo that you might feel hurt, devastated, disappointed. Pero after naman nun, yung change darating. Okay? Yung change, like a brand new you. This makes sense with the new beginnings here. Okay? Yung Berkanu energy. So, yung new beginnings mo, yan yung bago mong experience na kung saan magbabago, no? Magbabago na yung situation mo. Okay? So, there's a new source of happiness. Okay? So, you have the Hanged Man. Yes, tinan mo, rebirth. There's rebirth. I think marami kang realizations, no? Realization sa buhay mo, kung ano ba yung dapat mong i-let go, ano yung dapat mong i-keep sa sarili mo. And then with the King of Wands, you will be motivated. You will setting the standards higher this time. Marami ka nang natutunan, marami ka nang life's lessons na acquire mo dahil sa mga experiences mo. And now, you are a fighter, no? You have the Page of Swords, so this is learning. You are more curious now. Marami ka pang gustong alamin, matutunan, matuklasan, new beginnings. So with the Eight of Cups, diba, meron kang iiwanang situation. This is the change. Things are shifting for you. Anything na hindi na nagsaserve your highest good, iiwanan mo yan, ile-let go mo na. You have the Nine of Swords. Merong worries, anxieties. I feel like ito yung ile-let go mo. Yung mga anxiety na yan, yung stress, some of you might have experienced depression. So, I think yan yung ile-let go mo na dahil mas ready ka na ngayon for a brand new you. True love come to me. So, yung iba sa inyo, you are attracting love, relationships, good cheer, people. Merong tao sa buhay mo na very supportive sa mga ginagawa mo. Parang siya yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng lakas ng loob. Ayan, with courage here. So, ang isa sa blessing mo is yung lakas ng loob. Malakas ang loob mo. Malakas ang loob mo na lumaban sa buhay. Ayan, increase your effort. So, mas e-effortan mo. At dahil sa efforts mo, mas ma-achieve mo yung goals na gusto mo. Meron ditong stubborn, aggressive person, so pwedeng ikaw to, or someone in your life. Romance is in the air, so isa sa blessing ninyo, romantic relationships, connections na you will feel good. Ayan. Beware of great pride. I think there are some people na maaring, di ba minsan nagiging mataas yung pride natin, no? So, may mga times na we need to humble ourselves. Okay? You also have the tower. So, dito, solid foundation, no? Success. Diba? This makes sense. Meron talagang success. Ayan, no? Success with effort. Ayan. So, hindi to yung parang ibibigay na lang sa'yo, successful ka na agad. May effort pa rin. Yes, you are going to be recognized for your work, and you are spiritually guided. Someone is protecting you from harm. Okay? So that's a blessing, di ba? So that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye.